Hello, hello. Welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. I'm Olivia, and I'm so happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Mateo. Thank you for listening. Today we have a very fun and very useful topic.
Yes, today we will talk about how to talk about your job in English. This is a very important topic. People ask about jobs all the time.
It is a common question. People say, "What do you do? Where do you work? What is your job?" So today we help you answer these questions.
We will speak slowly. We will use simple words, and we will give you time to repeat. Are you ready?
Let's start.
Okay, Mateo. Let's start with a basic question. What do you do?
Yes, this is the number one question. What do you do? It means, what is your job?
Let's practice. Dear listener, repeat after me. What do you do? Again. What do you do?
Good. Now, Olivia, I will ask you the question. Olivia, what do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
Great. Simple and clear. I am a teacher. That is perfect for beginners.
Let's practice some common jobs. Repeat after me. I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver. I am a cook. I am a nurse.
Very good. These are common and easy to remember.
Now, let's learn how to say where you work. The question is, where do you work? Repeat after me. Where do you work? Again, where do you work?
Now, let's give simple answers. You can say, I work at a school. I work in a hospital. I work in a store. I work at home. I work in an office.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I work in an office. I work in a store. I work in a hospital.
Nice job. These phrases are very useful.
Now, let's have a small conversation about our jobs. Remember, we speak slowly.
Okay. Olivia, what do you do?
I am an English teacher. I work in a language school. I teach beginners. I love my job.
That is great. How many hours do you work?
I work 6 hours a day. I work from Monday to Friday.
Very nice. Now it's my turn. My job is different. I am a graphic designer. I work in a small office.
What do you do at your job, Mateo?
I design logos. I create posters. I make social media images. It is creative, and I enjoy it.
Great. So we have I am a teacher. I am a designer.
And you, listener, what do you do? Try to answer out loud.
Good. Even if your answer is simple, it is perfect for practice. Now, let's talk about a work routine. Simple phrases, short phrases.
For example, I start work at 9. I finish work at 5. I talk to customers. I use a computer. I clean. I help people.
Let's practice. Repeat slowly. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5. I use a computer.
Nice. Now, Olivia,
Tell me about your work routine.
Sure. I start work at 8. I teach classes. I talk to students. I prepare lessons. I correct homework. And I finish work at 3.
Good routine. My routine is different. I work at 10. I check emails. I design images. I meet with clients. Sometimes I work at home. And I finish work at 6.
Let's talk about feelings. Do you like your job?
Yes, we say, I like my job. I love my job. Or, I don't like my job. I want a new job.
Repeat after me. I like my job. I love my job. I want a new job.
Good. Now I ask Olivia. Olivia, do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like my job. I love teaching.
And me? Yes, I like my job too. I like being creative.
Now let's practice a small conversation. We will speak. You repeat. What do you do?
I am a...
Where do you work?
I work in a...
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Excellent. Let's review important words. Repeat after me. Job, work, office, school, store, hospital, teacher, doctor, driver, designer, computer, customer, help, start, finish.
Very good. Repetition is the secret.
Now let's review what you learned today.
You learned how to say your job. I am a teacher. I am a driver. I am a student.
You learned how to say where you work. I work in a school. I work in an office.
You learned how to talk about your routine. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5.
You learned how to talk about your feelings. I like my job. I want a new job.
If you practice these sentences every day, your English will grow fast.
Thank you for listening. You did an amazing job today.
Yes, keep practicing. Speak out loud. Repeat many times.
We will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you in the next video.